Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are here today again for another unboxing and review video. The last video I posted was on the Zebronics ZEB headphone Bluetooth, and today we'll be unboxing another Zebronics product which I purchased from Amazon, and it's a Bluetooth speaker which I bought for, okay, we'll come back to the price after we unbox it. It's one of the most affordable speakers that is available on Amazon. So let's unbox it. So, okay, that's the invoice. We'll just put this down for a second. So here is the packaging. Zebronics ZEB County portable Bluetooth speaker. ZEB County. Here. This is the actual packaging, which is not as good as the Zebronics ZEB, not even near to it. So let's see how the product turns out to be. So this Zebronics ZEB County portable BT speaker, it has a Bluetooth version 5.0, it has USB connectivity, it has a micro SD slot, it's all written out here. It has FM facility, which usually doesn't work in these Bluetooth speakers, it never does. But you never know. It has aux facility, it has call function, and it has a built-in rechargeable battery. I don't know why they wrote that. It was not necessary. It's not even a feature. So putting that aside, and here we have the basic features. Output max, let's see, charging time is 2.5 hours, playback time is 10 hours. It could be, but I doubt it. And USB, and the memory size is 32 GB. Product dimension, package dimension, net weight, this is just 280 grams. Okay. Now there are 5 color variants, which is out of which I have purchased the red one. I've taken the green one, I think so. Yeah, the green one. I've taken the green one. So let's go ahead and first let's see what else is written out here. Nothing much. Okay. Coming to the specifications, as usual, the country of origin is PR China. It's a made in China product. The MRP is $9.99, but I have purchased it on Amazon for 559 rupees only. That's like almost 40% off maybe. And the year of import is May 2021. It's a brand new import. Just imported last month. The model name is ZEB County, as we can see out here. It's a Zebronics speaker, and okay, nothing much out here. Now let's get into the product. Okay, this is the cover. The packaging of the ZEB was really nice. It was a premium quality packaging. Of course, let's not compare it with the price also. That product was 2,499, the MRP. I purchased it for 1,299. Okay, here we go. This is the product here. Okay, that's how it. What else do you have in here? It's a very cheap quality paper they've used for the user manual. that's okay, because most of the people don't read it, me being one of them. So okay, now this is okay, this has the aux facility also, this cable, and I'm assuming that this is the charging cable. It's a type B charger, but the quality of the cable is not that interesting. It's just okay, it'll just do. If you're not using the aux and you're just looking in for the charger, then I think you can charge it with some other type B charger. We'll test it right now with this one, and we'll put this aside. It's not that good a quality, but it's just 999 rupees the MRP, and you're getting it for 559, so it's more or less okay. It's wrapped up like this, so let's unwrap it and see what we have in here. Okay, so guys, this is the actual look of the Zebronics ZEB COUNTY Bluetooth speaker. I don't know where its Bluetooth range is given. I can't exactly find that out here. The Bluetooth range, I guess that's not given out here. Maybe it's there in the manual, but yeah, this is the speaker. This is the actual speaker. Here we go. It's so small, it like fits in your palm. It's the size of your palm, actually lesser than that. We have the Zebronics logo out here. Overall it looks good, and it feels hardy. It's 250 or 280 grams like it was written out there, so it's not that heavy, but it feels very sturdy. They've used hard quality plastic, and we have the buttons out here underneath the handle. The buttons feel not that good a quality. As you can hear the sound, it's very plasticky. I don't see any bit of metal out here. This underneath the device, they have this padding out here, so that it doesn't slip, anti-slip padding. The buttons, it doesn't feel like it's going to get through for a long time, but it's okay. More or less, the Bluetooth speakers at this range, it comes with this type of button. I had purchased one previously, and it had buttons like this only, but it was from some unbranded company. I don't even remember the name. Okay, so at the back we have the charging port out here. Underneath there is the slot for the memory card. This is for USB connectivity. That is a USB port, and I guess that's the on-off button. Yeah, that's the on-off button we have out here. Out here, these 4 buttons. One is the play and pause button. Other 2 are for volume up and volume down, and for changing the songs. And another button we have out here is for the radio. That's written M out there, is for mode, means you can change the mode from music to radio. So we'll try to connect it with this phone. This is the phone which I have with me right now, so let's try it. I hope the Bluetooth is on. No, the Bluetooth, now we'll turn it on. Okay, so here we go.
Zebronics for life.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, the sound was pretty good. It was pretty loud. So we see the lights are blinking till the back now. I don't think that's a feature. I think the quality of the plastic out here is not that good, so you can see through the plastic. You can see the light through the plastic. I don't think like it's for the slots. So whatever. There's one blue light blinking inside. Okay, now we'll try to connect it with this device. Zebronics scan. Okay, ZEB County. It's here at the bottom. So let's connect it. It's pairing.
ZEB County is now connected.
There. ZEB County is now connected. Now let's try to listen to some music on this. So you have a blue LED out here. We'll check out the charging a little bit later. So let's go to Spotify. Let's search for a song. This song, yeah.
Watch this short video to get 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
You can more or less control the volume from your phone and from here, from the device. So we'll check out the max volume from both the devices. We'll max out the volume from the phone and then we'll max out the volume from the ZEB County. Okay, so I guess there's an ad playing out here.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Okay, so now they're going to be playing the song. Here we go. I'll just put it down like this, it'll be easier for you people to see. Till now it's good. It's almost maxed out. It's not even the maximum volume right now. We'll try to max it out from the device. Now what I can say from this is, like, you at this price you shouldn't expect any type of premium quality sound, that also with bass. It's not possible. It's 999 for the MRP, and just forget about the price you're paying because that's a discounted price, but their manufacturing price, after manufacturing, their price is 999, and at that range you won't be getting a premium quality sound. But yes, this has a clear sound, it's got clarity, it's got nice volume. Means if you increase the volume out here and increase it on your phone or any other device, then what is going to happen is, like, this you can keep in a big room and you can use it as a speaker for the entire room. And this has good sound quality. It's overall good, and I think, I'm not sure, I have to go through that one more time. I think this comes with a 1-year warranty. It might not also come with a warranty, but that's not the main issue. These speakers are usually, it feels durable, it feels handy. You can pack it anywhere you want. It's small size, it's nice. And the features which we have out here, the basic Bluetooth features which comes with almost all the Bluetooth speakers you get
Incoming
online.
call. Incoming call. Incoming call.
Okay, this is the call
Incoming
facility.
call.
Okay, that was pretty good. We got something else also tested right now unknowingly, that so when you're getting an incoming call, that's the alert you get on this device. So that was pretty okay. I guess when you get other notifications, that is also gonna blink up out here. So overall it's okay as per the price. It's a nice product, and Zebronics, I've been using quite a few products of Zebronics recently, and the quality of their products are nice. So I don't think you're going to regret it much. So that depends upon every user. So that's how it works. So anyway guys, this speaker is nice, and overall we're going to be coming back with other gadgets also. And if you have liked this video, then please go ahead and subscribe also, and then press the notification bell icon so that you get all the updates to my latest videos. And thanks for watching. Bye.